When it comes to global pride, Gujarat has made all of India stand tall with pride. A land of dreams, progress, and possibilities. Let's begin with the Statue of Unity. Standing at 182 meters, it is the world's tallest statue, a tribute to the visionary Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. The surrounding infrastructure makes it a complete tourist destination. With a viewing gallery, laser light show, hotels, jungle safari, and river rafting. There's something special here for everyone. Trust me, it's a perfect weekend getaway, even for solo travelers like me. From the world's tallest statue, we move to the world's largest cricket stadium in Ahmedabad. Here, I got the incredible opportunity to experience a global artist concert live, a truly unforgettable moment. From the lights of the concert, we moved to the Atal Bridge, a beautifully designed and elegant structure, and then to the Sabarmati riverfront, where the past and present come together seamlessly. Gujarat's progressive vision has turned dreams into reality. With rapidly growing smart cities and seamlessly connected highways, this is the modern face of Gujarat. And if we talk about the heartbeat of Gujarat, it lies in Kutch. Where culture is deeply rooted and growth is sustainable. Here, massive wind and solar power projects are shaping the future of India's energy. Just outside Bhuj, I came across a powerful example, the Smriti One Earthquake Memorial Museum, which has received the prestigious UNESCO Pre-Versailles 2024 award. It preserves the memories of the 2001 earthquake through a blend of technology and emotion. And it is also home to the world's largest Miyawaki forest. Isn't that amazing? Now we head to the Diamond City of India, Surat. Home to the iconic Surat Diamond Bourse, the world's largest office complex. A true symbol of India's growing global stature. And there's so much more to experience in Gujarat. Like the serene Madhavpur Beach Road, which offers a sense of calm and quiet. Everywhere you go, there's something special. Being here, I felt a deep sense of India's pride. That's why they say, come to Gujarat, where life is a celebration.